How to accept friend request on Apex Legends. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can accept friend request on Apex Legends. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Apex Legends. So once you're on your main lobby or your main home page, after that, navigate to the friend icon at the bottom right corner. As you can see, there is a friend icon just in front of the settings icon, so click on it. That's gonna navigate to you the friends tab. There you have to navigate to the friends request section, or on that friends tab you will find all of the incoming friend requests, where you will also see a notification as a friend request. All you have to do is select the request and then hit or press accept, and then the friend will be added into your account. So that's the way to accept a friend request in Apex Legends. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.